Westermans is here again for Axxair 200. Just well testing the SATF-40 ND closed weld head. Over 25mm tube in it. Fortunately, these haven't got glass lenses for viewing. It is an option. Got a alarm going there. So we'll have a look and see what it was. Let count down. So look, see what the alarm was. Welding voltage. So we'll change that and try it again. Right, let's go for another weld, see what we get. We have 4 of these power sources in stock, and obviously we also have the new version, which is the 201. Very nice machine, considering they will take other heads. Makes it even a bonus. Just down sloping at the minute. This is only a test just to do a function, make sure the heads work. At 13 seconds is very slow. There we go, speeding up. Plenty of paper required. We also hire these out. More details can be found on Westermans' website, westermans.com. Photographs and videos. Thank you for looking.